to another video. So I started this video today on a fair condition. You know, the sun was shining, I was smiling, and everybody was doing wonderful. However, the video took a turn for the worse when we had to travel through the mountains, when we had to swim through the ocean, when the car could swim and the bus them fly and whole heap of things go on. So guys, stay tuned and don't go nowhere. Get your blankets, keep warm while watching this vlog and do shit.
Try my love, girl, won't you try my love? Try my love, try my love, boy, won't you try my love? I never heard.
Guys, welcome back to another video. So I started this video today on a fair condition. You know, the sun was shining, I was smiling, and everybody was doing wonderful. However, the video took a turn for the worse when we had to travel through the mountains, when we had to swim through the ocean, when the car could swim and the bus them fly and whole heap of things go on. So guys, stay tuned and don't go nowhere. Get your blankets, keep warm while watching this vlog and do shit. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm a little bit upset today because as y'all can see, I did my makeup, but I don't really love it, you know. It's not something to die for, but it's also not looking like the worst, so I think I'm good. These press-on nails are a part of my collection, guys. These dresses are a part of my collection. I'll put a picture of me in this dress on the screen so y'all can see what it looks like. Y'all can come shop The Official Drip. Remember to message me on Instagram if you want something. Numbers are also provided for you guys to call. Just in case you guys want something to buy, you don't have to call me in the night. You can call me in the day. We don't know how the thing go. So right about now, guys, one of my friends is having a birthday party and we are gonna go check it out. I'm supposed to go wax my armpit. I know they look like crap, but I'm a little bit scared because I just feel like it's gonna hurt, so I don't want to do it, you know. I did a little something, but I didn't have all my stuff like my foundation, like y'all still can see through my face because the foundation not really all that there. Like my eyebrow is a little bit messy. But whatever, I just want to back like something from my face and look awful. Right. So guys, as I said, I'm here. See Plummy dear, Plummy tell people I am. Plummy is a worker over where the store is, guys. Plummy does. His tongue can't fly. Anyways, guys, I don't really matter what. Before we buy the car, the trunk will have one little problem, so we prefer to not pull it because if we pull it, it's not gonna work. But you have a problem. Stop telling.
No, I'm not that. I know a chunk.
Anyways, guys, Plummy is a.
That's not you.
Plummy is a. He installs lights in the cars and him do
clean headlamp.
Him clean headlamp. Plummy, what you do? Cause I don't really remember, but me know say him clean car seats, him do lights, him do headlights and everything. Anyways, me not really give him a promotion in the people. But you can check him out, cause guess what? A long time I tell the dirty man say for clean my car seat, the man he don't do it. So me have him up. Donkey, oh god. Wet, this look like a chink. Right here?
That don't
valley. You can imagine. Boy, I don't see anything. How should I go?
Double. And they also actually, you see how close them are cut. Actually, I got dead. But yeah, guys, so this is the continuation of the vlog. We already reached where we were going, but
This is the ending.
we are go back now. We are go back now because we have a lot more things to do today. So, but I wanted to show you guys earlier over the side police station. Weird. I want to show you guys I wanted to show you guys a more, you know, in-depth video of this rain, but it's not gonna happen. What? Donkey? That's a donkey.
Donkey.
Also, check what I said. Donkey. So yeah, guys, like, me personally, I like driving a rig, you know. Look at the rain, man. Woo. What you want to be good about
Yes, Lord, when you work, nobody can question and talk. We all know.
but when I saw real water place, car. Why when the rain fall on some other places, you know, one stuff.
And it's at the hill. You can imagine all about some police.
No, don't try water run off of this. Or the water run off of this go down, you know. But the thing is, guys, like just now, even we are past the sea, like up there, so a tear down. Want it dogs. Yeah, pretty.
Flash some light there, friend.
You guys not be as it regards to the weather. So we are now approaching Christiana, and I must say that this is a bigger improvement than what we have been facing thus far. We are just about outside of Christiana. We have just passed the stoplight that will bypass the town, and you see me can't talk news. I'm putting it. I can speak news, man. Yeah, people. So we just passed Christiana, and we're up on the highway that bypasses the town. We are, you know, driving out to Mandeville and all. But honestly though, like, I didn't know that when the rain is falling in some areas it is this bad. No wonder you can't call some people and get them when rain a fall. Cause signal gone. Signal gone. Yo, but the funny thing is, even Mandeville, like, I've always wondered why when the rain fall, Mandeville is like that. You cannot move. If you are doodle, you're going to doodle up. If you're going to pick anything, like, it's a real deal out there.
Yes, ma'am.
Tax officer, I want to go tax officer lock. You know, locking them up, man. I go over there right now. I say, it's like, there ain't no fun. Nobody not even. So wait till I have hand.
Yeah, but they're African.
No, they're not actually.
Hey, they give the chicken and the backside.
Johnny and them too much. Call it what you know. No. They pull up door. You know? And nobody not in there. We could have stopped. And then me have the guy on my phone still. Let me text to call me when it's something ready. I want to have other thing ready. Can call me. Burp. You're greedy, you know? Man greedy, sir.
Honestly.
Come on, know what you. Right, guys, so we are, you know, we're down there. Where's the name?
Right.
Shudley. We know the Shudley because we are past the bakery. And then we're going past Spectrum gas station. I don't know if I should say Christian people in here. Oh, we're at Savoy. Yeah. We passing Savoy. So we are past Savoy, guys. Why?
Don't we keep them out of
Oh.
I can say, come get me. But it's my friend,
you know him friend, want to call him friend. That's how the thing go. Right, guys, so we are on our way back. So that is basically the conclusion of the video. I was going to do a nice, sunny, warm video, but unfortunately you all had to pull out your blankets because it got wet in here real fast. Big up on an ice cream sale, and me gone.